If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. What's your name, bud?
Micah.
And my name's Maria, and we are going to show you an amazing protein shake that you could make that has no protein powders whatsoever. Now, if you love that hard-boiled egg pudding as much as this little guy does, big guy, I should say. Look at, he's almost as tall as me. This is crazy. It's a great protein shake if you're looking for something easy. And it comes out of this book, Easy Dairy-Free Ketogenic Recipes. But we're going to show you the recipe because it's just that amazing. Micah, you know what my trick is for making the best like peelable hard-boiled eggs if you don't have an Instant Pot? Boil the water first and then put the eggs in there because it's going to shrink it and cause the eggs to peel really easy. So Micah, I need you to put 4 hard-boiled eggs into our wonderful blender. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to put coconut milk in there. I'm going to scrape that one, but could you measure out a cup of Silk almond milk? If you make your own almond milk, kudos to you. If you have cashew milk, that'll work too, unflavored cashew milk. So not the whole thing, this is a halfway up, okay?
What?
Halfway up.
That's right here though.
Yeah, that's the one right there.
Yeah, that's
what you're doing? Okay. So 1 cup of almond milk. There we go. And the hard-boiled eggs, I know it sounds freaky weird, but people love that chocolate pudding, and that's basically what we're making here. So put a cup of that in there. Why don't you put some cocoa powder in there?
All of it?
All of it, yep. I'm going to use stevia glycerite, which is a non-bitter stevia. It's thick like a honey, and maybe a little cinnamon, a little bit of cinnamon. And we're going to put a little bit of swerve in there. You could use more stevia if you want to. This right here, bud. Wonderful. Thank you, bud. And a little bit of our Redmond salt. We love Redmond. And I always add salt, electrolytes, right? Energy, right? So a little bit of salt. And then you could use whatever extract you want. We have a little bit of English toffee. We have mint. Or we have cherry. What do you think? Cherry. We're going to put a little cherry extract in. You can use vanilla if that's what you have. There we go. Or you could use almond, which would be really, really tasty too, almond extract. And we're just going to blend this up. Let's see. I should have turned it on. Here we go. Puree. The better your blender, the better the texture is. I'm telling you that. So. And you could add some ice cubes to this. I really like icy shakes, but if you want a thicker shake, now if you let this sit in the fridge overnight, that's gonna be the best flavor. Because I just made the eggs, it smells a little eggy, but if you want it thinner than this, go for it. I would add some ice. I really like icy ones, but then it's kind of like a milkshake. And there you go, you have an amazing chocolate shake. And if you have extra, put it into popsicle molds and it makes delicious pudding pops, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Thanks, everybody.
Bye. Sharing is caring. Share this video with